Namaste, konnichiwa. So today I am going to take anti-arthritic series, which is very helpful to remove the pain, stiffness, swelling from the joints. So this anti-arthritic series, also known as Sukshma Yogic Vyayam series, and it also improves the blood circulation, and it is very good for the subtle parts of our body. So let us start the first series. Both legs in front, both hands back side. Start from the toe joints, bend your toe joints forward, then backward. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then ankle joint forward, 1, backward, 2, 1, 2. Both feet apart, clockwise, 1, 2. Anti-clockwise rotation, 1, 2. Join your both feet, bend your right leg and keep your right foot on left thigh. Rotate your toe joints clockwise, 1, 2. Reverse, 1, 2. Same way with left leg, clockwise, 1, 2. Reverse, 1, 2. Again right leg, but this time you will keep your ankle joint outside your thigh so that you can rotate your ankle joint easily. Clockwise, 1, 2. Reverse, 1, 2. Same way with left leg, clockwise, 1, 2. Reverse, 1, 2. Now again right leg, but this time you will keep your heel inside here, try to fix it here, this way. If you cannot, just keep it here, and with daily practice slowly move your foot towards your body. Then keep your right hand on your right knee, press it down, 1, breathe in, 2, breathe out, 1, 2. Same way with left, press it down, 1, breathe in, breathe out, 1, 2. Come back. Now again right leg, again fix your heel here inside and then rotate your knee joint, 1 clockwise, 2. Then again anti-clockwise, 1, 2. Same with left, clockwise, 1, 2. Reverse, 1, 2. Relax. Make a finger lock and keep this finger lock behind your knee. Bend your knee, breathe out, touch your nose tip with your knee. Breathe in, toes towards your side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same way with left, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Bend your both legs, join your both feet, make a finger lock, keep this finger lock under your toe joints, bring your both feet towards your body, look in front, breathe in. Breathe out, slowly come down, touch your forehead with the floor. If you are able to touch your forehead easily, then touch your nose tip and then touch your chin. Breathe in, come up. Again, breathe out, come down. Breathe in, come up. Both hands on your knee, press it down. Breathe out, join your knee, breathe in. Again press. 1, 2. Then again both hands under your toe joints and butterfly, Titli Asana. Up and down movement of your both knee and hip joint. Now next is sit on your both feet this way and make a finger lock or if your finger lock is easily you can make, hold your elbows with opposite hand, look in front and sit here at least for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then from here the next one is known as Kaua Chal or crow's walk. Both hands on your knee, put your right knee on the floor, move your left leg and then sit on your left leg. Then left knee on the floor, move your right. So this way you have to walk like a crow. This you can do at least every day. We should do 25 steps, but start with the 3-4 steps. Now this was the first series of Sukshma Yogic Vyayam. Now for next series, sit in this Vajrasan position. For Vajrasan, first we should always keep our legs straight, both hands by the side, then hold your right big toe, bend your right knee, then left big toe, bend your left knee. If you cannot sit in this position, you can sit in simple Sukhasana. Simple Sukhasana is crossed leg position. If you are able to sit in half lotus pose, then sit in this half lotus pose. This is half lotus pose. Now next is, if you are able to sit in full lotus pose, then keep your this left leg on right thigh. So this way you can choose any simple sitting pose in which you are comfortable. Now let us start this second series. I am doing this series in Vajrasana. Both hands at shoulder level, stretch out your all fingers. Then bend your fingers like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, join your fingers, bend your elbow joint, bend your wrist joint. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then next, bend your fingers, again 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, clockwise rotation of your wrist joint. 1, 2. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2. Both hands like this. Your palm will face upward. Bend your elbows. 1, 2. 1, 2. Same sideways. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then relax. Now next, again both hands at shoulder level and fold your fingers like this. You will keep your thumb tip at the base of your small finger and then like this. Bend your elbows. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same way sideways. 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Now again sideways. And then keep your both hands on your shoulders, join your elbows and from upper side, rotate your shoulder joint. 1, 2. From lower side, 1, 2. Relax. Shoulders up and down movement. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now shoulders up and clockwise movement. 1, 2. Anti-clockwise movement, again up from back side. 1, 2. Now next is for neck. Slowly breathe in, take your neck back side. Breathe out. Touch your chin with your sternal notch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come back. Now, bend your neck towards right side. 1, 2. Same left side. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now turn your neck towards right side. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now neck rotation. For neck rotation, bend your neck towards left shoulder and from left side and from back side start. Bring your neck towards right shoulder. Then again from back side, reach towards your left shoulder. 1, 2. Same half rotation. Front side, bend your neck towards left and from front side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Because you are in sitting position, so you can even rotate, you can take full circle. Like this, bend your neck towards left and from left side. 1, 2, and 3. From left side, from front side again rotate. 1, 2, 3. So this was second series, which we started from our finger joints to neck. Okay. Namaste. Now today we are going to start this third series. For third series, keep your both legs straight in front and then lie down on your back. Keep your both feet joined and both hands by the side. Your palm will face downward. This is first position when we do asanas in supine position. Now let us start. 1, right leg up, knee straight and your toes towards your side. Down, left leg up, down. 1, 2, 1, 2. With both legs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now relax in Shavasana. In Shavasana, you will keep your both feet apart. The gap should be more than 1.5 feet. Your heel inside, your toes outside, both hands away from your thigh, and the gap should be 10 to 12 inches. Your palm will face upward. Close your eyes and take long and deep breath 2-3 times. While breathing in, feel the expansion of your chest. While breathing out, feel the contraction of your chest. 2-3 times this way, long and deep breath. Now next, join your both feet, both hands by the side, facing downward. Right leg up, clockwise rotation. 1, 2. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2. Come back. Same with left leg. Clockwise. 1, 2. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2. Come back. Again relaxation in Shavasana. Long and deep breath, 2-3 times. Join your both feet, both hands by the side, again facing downward. Rotation with both legs up, clockwise. 1, keeping your knee straight. 2, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, then come back. Relax. Relaxation in Shavasana again. Breathe in and breathe out. Next, join your both feet, both hands by the side facing downward. Next is cycling. Bend your right knee and then start forward cycling. 1, 2, 4, 10. Then come back. Relax. Relaxation in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Join your both feet, both hands by the side. Again cycling, but this time reverse cycling. Raise your right leg, then start. 1, 4, 6, 10. Then come back. Relax. Relaxation again in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Join your both feet, both hands by the side facing downward. Now next is cross cycling. Both legs up. Keep your both legs in a cross and then start. 1, 10. Then come back. Relax. Relaxation again in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Join your both feet, both hands by the side, facing downward. Next is Ardha Padma, Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Bend your right knee, make a finger lock, keep this finger lock below your knee, press your knee towards your chest, left leg straight on the floor, and then breathe in. Breathe out, try to touch your forehead with your knee or your nostril or your chin. Then breathe in, come back, leg straight. Same with left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Relaxation again in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Join your both feet, both hands by the side facing downward. Bend your knee, tie them with your finger lock, press it towards your chest. Again breathe in. Breathe out. Try to bring your forehead, nostril or chin between your both knees. Breathe in, come back, both legs straight. Same way again. 1, breathe out, breathe in, relax. Take rest again in Shavasana. Long and deep breath, 2-3 times. Make your breath and your heartbeat normal by taking long and deep breath. Now next, join your both feet, and bend your knee. Keep your hands, this finger lock, under your both knee, and now we are going to do side rolling. So roll your body towards right side. 1, touch your forehead with the floor. 2, left side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Relaxation again in Shavasana. Long and deep breath. Take rest. Join your both feet, both hands by the side. Now front rolling, bend your knee, tie them with your finger lock, press it towards your chest, and then start front rolling. 1, try to touch your forehead between your both knee. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then relax. Relaxation in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Join your both feet. Now last one is Naukasana. For this, both legs, both hands and your head, you will have to raise and come in this position. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then come back. Take rest in Shavasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Join your both feet, both hands by the side facing downward. Turn your body towards left side. Keep your left hand above your shoulder upside. Your right hand in front of your chest, your head on your upper arm, your right knee on the floor, and then close your eyes and take rest here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then get up from here, sit in any comfortable position. So this was third series. So all these 3 series, anti-arthritis series, we can do every day. It takes hardly 23 minutes, and you can start with 2 or 3 frequencies, and you can reach up to 10 frequencies every day. Thank you very much. Arigato.